Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to solo Yamamoto in Cardfight Vanguard. We'll cover understanding his playstyle, identifying crucial cards, and preparing your own deck for victory. This guide will help you develop a winning strategy against this formidable opponent. Focus on consistent damage and superior guarding. Remember, practice makes perfect in this card game. Yamamoto typically favors a specific clan, often focusing on aggressive plays and quick damage. His strategy usually involves building a strong board early to apply pressure. Be aware of his key units that enable powerful finishing turns. Understanding these patterns is crucial for anticipating his moves and planning your defense effectively. Knowing his triggers helps too.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Vanguard content. On another note, quick recommendation. Asterisk The Simple Path to Wealth Asterisk is a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. It's a great read for anyone looking to improve their financial future. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video.
To counter Yamamoto, select a clan known for its defensive capabilities or superior board control. Incorporate cards that can effectively retire his key units, disrupting his strategy. Your deck should also aim for consistent damage throughout the game, rather than relying on a single big turn. This balanced approach will give you the edge. During the game, guard strategically to maintain a healthy hand size for future turns. Always prioritize retiring Yamamoto's most dangerous units to prevent his combos from activating. Recognize the opportune moment to push for game-ending damage, ensuring you have enough resources. Patience and precise timing are vital for success against him.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.